Using nuclear explosions to deflect asteroids and comets became a topic of interest for planetary defense. The idea is to change the object's trajectory, preventing potential impacts with Earth. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion in Russia highlighted the need for effective defense strategies. Scientists believe that a nuclear blast near the surface of an asteroid could alter its path without breaking it into dangerous fragments. In 2021, NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, successfully altered the orbit of a small asteroid for the first time. The energy released by a nuclear explosion is vastly greater than conventional methods, making it a powerful tool for deflection.